Man, it has been a long time since I've made a video, and it hasn't because I've been lazy or anything. I actually had a couple of videos planned for a while, and I got really sick. I got really sick for a week, and it was bad. It was pretty bad. I couldn't even get out of bed for like 4 days straight. But now I'm at least healthy enough to make a video. I'm still getting over the sickness a little bit. Today, I have some lovely things on the table here. This is going to be sort of like an upgrade haul video on a couple of the PCs that I have. I had come across a couple things on Letgo after the PC introduction video, whatever. And I want to share them with you guys today, because whew, man, it's had some good ups and downs. Anyways, so a couple things I've gotten in the mail. I got my extra 2 gigs of RAM here. Just nothing crazy, just some crucial memory, whatever. I've got a couple of CPUs here that are not going to be for upgrades at all. This is just a couple things that I had gotten. Oh, if I can get to zoom in. I don't know which one that one. There's an E7500 and E6600. I showed the E6600 first. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Quick little rant here. This E6600 came in disgusting. I have never seen a package in my life with it was covered in thermal paste, it was covered in some sort of weird substance. It was nasty. It was really nasty. I think I took a video. I took a video, so I'll show you that right now. Hey there, past me. So yeah, this CPU was disgusting. There's thermal paste here, there's some sort of rust here. I cleaned it off. The outside, okay, there's thermal paste under here. There's thermal paste under the CPU. Yeah, whoever freaking sent this and packaged it, you're a moron. Sorry, but you just are. This is mistreating your hardware. So yeah, it was really bad, and I really don't like it when people abuse their hardware like that. Sorry. The guy sort of had maybe a little bit of an excuse, but don't treat your hardware like crap, man. Come on, treat it with some respect. So anyways, the other things we've got here are this, which you had seen in the introductory video, this GTX 650, this GTX 750 Ti, which I thought was originally dead. Plugged it into my test bench. It's definitely not dead. Not dead at all. It works. It had gone through a stress test and everything, so that will be part of the whole upgrading PCs thing today. And then I got this lovely beauty. This was a steal for $40. Here, you can go over here. You're not going to be needed anymore once I do this. And I already tested it, stress test, I placed thermal paste, yada yada yada. I got a GTX 1050, not a Ti, unfortunately, for $40. It's even got its display port cover on it still. Oh, dang it. I missed. But yeah, I got it for $40 on Letgo. I think it was a college student. And I think it was just some guy who had bought, oh, you can't upgrade it. That works. I think it was some college student who bought a system or had somebody assemble him a system a long time ago. And he just got to upgrading now, like during Christmas time, and like 2 months after it, you generally get a lot of people, or like a lot of parts that flip the market because people are just upgrading their PCs. They're just like, oh shoot, I got the new Ryzen 7 3700X or 3950X. Time to throw out my FX 8350 for like $20. you generally find a lot of good deals. So I always hunt religiously on Letgo and OfferUp and wherever I go for good deals. And this was a really good steal because these generally go for 100, 120 at max. Lowest they go is 80. So that's like that triple the worth of what I would have gotten or what I would have paid. What am I trying to say? This is not going to be a perfect video. I have no script. It's just going to be, hey, I'm doing this, woohoo, sort of deal. But yeah, so today we're going to be upgrading 3 PCs because 3 of them need these upgrades. So that's what's going to happen. And I think we're going to start with, well, actually we're going to start with throwing these. I'm just going to throw them in my pocket. And this will be put over there because you really don't, I'm sure you really don't care if I put like 1 stick of RAM in my test bench. Like, come on. You guys probably care more about the whole giant PCs that are under here. So, let's put you guys down flat so you don't fall off the edge here or something stupid. So, first, we got Shadow here. Oh, shoot. This is a workout, lifting these things. I had to lift them under the table for the video, too. So we're going to be upgrading this one with the GTX 1050 and taking the 650. I actually found out that the HD 7770 is better in performance and cores and everything all around than the GTX 650. Go figure. So, I need a screwdriver. Right. So yeah, I'm going to be taking this out, and then I'm actually going to be retiring the GTX 650 because all the systems I know will have a GPU better than what it can do. All the systems I know, all the systems I have. What am I saying? Except for the test bench, but that's a different story. So yeah, sort of sad. Thing did pretty well. I'm gonna have to DD all these systems too. Oh, God. All right, and brand. Oh shit! Oh shoot! There we go. There we go. And now we just gotta put you back in. So yeah, I got really sick. I'm not even sure how. It just all of a sudden hit me. And I had to miss a lot of work. And it really kind of sucked that I missed a lot of work because that's money. And money is a great concern of mine. Probably should have banged these out. They're a little bent in, but whatever. And this GTX 1050 has no power cable, so the power cable doesn't even need to be connected. You can just shove that back in there then. Here. Oh, well, that was the CPUs clacking together. Oh, whatever. Not my problem. One system done. GTX 650 can go in the pile here of stuff that I've got accumulating on my bed. That'll be nice. Having a 2 gig card. Now I just gotta keep an eye out for another one. Probably like an HD 7990 or 7970. Something like that. Pretty sure it's going to be something like that for the next system to get an upgrade, which will probably be Scorch will probably be the one to get a 2 gig card because this one is going in the Porta PC. that one is going to help me with gaming on that PC a lot. Especially since that one has an FX processor, so that one will be able to take better advantage of it. And all the FM2 ones, unfortunately I wanted to upgrade the board and the CPU in this, but I still haven't found an FX 4300 or 4300 or whatever. An FX 4300 yet, so. Alright, one done. You know what? Even though this thing is so light, it's still so heavy. Well, yeah, if I break that, I'm not really too greatly concerned. It's just a Wi-Fi card. And I flip it around. There we go. Next. Oh shoot, this is when I gotta take all the screws out. Alright, where did I put my screwdriver? So the HT7770 is actually going in Scorch because this GPU it has at the moment really can't run 1080p. Well, it shouldn't run 1080p, but it is. So, having having a GPU in there that'll actually run 1080p would be nice. So I don't have to worry about it like catching on fire or something stupid because it's running stuff it's not supposed to be running. Also, if you're wondering why this is missing a screw, one of these screw things were stripped somehow. I don't know how I did it, but I stripped it. Some way I did. I don't know how, but I did. Alright. Yeah. Not even that dusty. I forgot how cool that fan is. Sorry, but I like that fan. I don't know what it is. That's just so cool to me. Alright. You go over there. You are getting put in here. Just until I find a 3 gig or higher card. I love that black. Oh, it's so good. So good. Bam, bam. So good. Copyright. I might like this case, but boy does it annoy me sometimes. Oh man, it's nice to be doing videos again. Because boy oh boy was I bored. I had my home theater PC, I had my phone, that was it. And that may be enough entertainment for some people, but not for me. There we go. Oh, right. That might need to get plugged in too. There. And these will all be, like I said, drivers and stuff installed later. Currently, not my problem. Not my problem or concern. Oh, I forgot the screws. So yeah, that is what's been going on. Oh yeah, I also got my softbox light. That's what I wanted to talk about as well. And by God, are the bulbs gigantic for that thing. Either way, I'm incredibly excited to use it, and I'm very happy I spent only $40 on it. It's honestly actually not as cheap as I thought it was going to be for $40. I expected a much, much cheaper, like, softbox light. Alright, and your next Scorch. Thankfully, I only have to unscrew 2 things for you. Unfortunately, I have to unscrew every single screw. That is on the side here. That's the only thing I don't like about these cases. These are cheap cases. It's fine. But yeah, softbox light. So now I won't have to like wait to do videos in the middle of the day with daylight. I'm doing it in daylight today just because it was coincidental. I was like, I need to do a video. I actually lost a subscriber because he subbed, and then I hadn't made a video in so long because I was sick. Ugh. And he unsubbed. I was like, oh, that made me so sad. I'm sure somebody out there is wondering, why did you buy 2 old Core 2 Duo CPUs? And that is a good question. I just thought about that just now. Somebody will probably be confused as to why I have 2. I bought them. If you don't know, I collect PC parts. It's fun to me. I enjoy collecting them. So I have a lot of graphics cards. I have a lot of CPUs. I have like... how many CPUs do I have? Probably, I know last time it was 50 something. It's probably close to 60 now. Actually, no, it wasn't 50 something. It was close to 50 something. It's probably 50 something CPUs now. Ugh. I really wish I could have done better on this system. I'm glad I went back eventually and like did better with it, but still. Ah. 550 Ti. This is going to be put on the test bench because the test bench only has a GTS 450, and that'll be a bit better performance. Excited about you because ow, that hurt. You know what? Cutting yourself on heat sinks and stuff is just par for the course at this point. Let me go one down. Somebody out there is cringing at how I'm doing this, and I say to you, good sir or madam, yeah, I'm okay with that. So, like, if you do want to battle to the death about it, I do have a Nerf gun. I am totally not against Nerf war. Nerf war to the death. Sounds fun to me. Man, this is gonna be great. I won't have to worry about like the GPU getting overworked. Man, this camera just drives me up a wall sometimes. Seriously. It died. It died while I was talking. Also, I noticed while searching back through the video, you have a very good shot of my butt throughout the entirety of this. Wait, I don't have to be child friendly. You have a really good shot of my ass half the time when we're talking and just upgrading stuff. So, might have to do something about that. Come on. Come on. Come on. I'm excited to have 1080. Well, actually, like, I'm excited to not have to worry about my 550 Ti crying. And you will be repurposed into the test bench. Alright, that's it. And that's it. Sweet. So yeah, that's about it. That's actually really just about it. I just wanted to give an update on what happened to me. I know I said I wanted to take a break after the introductory video, and I did. And then I ended up getting sick, so that turned into a much longer break than I wanted. So yeah, that's what happened. Will I be doing these types of videos again? Probably, because these are kind of fun to me. Not having to do a script, just sort of winging it and doing whatever. I'll probably end up doing more haul videos on what I've like ordered in terms of like, oh, I got this PC part for a good deal. And some other whatever, who knows. Still in the market for a couple things. I know I got the better GPU for excuse me, for Shadow and for my Porta PC. Those were nice. The 750 Ti was freaking amazing because I got that for free. I thought it was dead originally, so for that to be working, that was pretty freaking excellent. I will be doing another GPU teardown. It's going to be a simple one, and those are sort of like it's a really easy to take apart GPU, but I'm pointing out where certain things are, what you should look out for, things like that. People who don't know what they're getting into, so they know the dangers of going into this GPU. That'll probably be done either today or tomorrow or whatever, I don't know. Not really sure. But anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching, and thanks for seeing the haul of awesome hardware that I picked up for a really good price. So, see you guys later.